I'm just gonna see what else I can do. Pushing the boundaries, pushing the boundaries. Sort of stretching out my cells. Because if you see, that white is cracking up there. So I'm going to try swiping with a darker colour, but I will see. Cracking up like me. I'm cracking up. Right. Now, do I try a swipe? Let me try it with this. Let me see. This is Berry Delicious. Just mixed with Floetrol only, no other pouring medium. Let me try it. Try before we buy. Oh, there's my swipery duva. Oh gosh. Crazy lady. Crazy lady. Let's see what we get. Oh my god. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna go for gold. I'm gonna pour this on. Oh, I'm thinking, what's she doing? She's ruined it. She should have left it as it was. But the white was starting to crack up. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it doesn't. So I usually don't have that happen with this paint, but today I have. So it might be the mixture of putting it next to the so many metallics in there. I'm not sure. But you just push on, and this is the way you learn and come up with some happy accidents. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That gold coming through now with that Berry Delicious swipe is just beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. That's very, very nice. Very nice. I'm happy, Jen. That's my Berry Delicious, just mixed with Floetrol only. I missed a bit. No problem. I can just do a wiggler. Wow, that is gorgeous. That definitely looks oceany. Oh, oh dear. Naughty girl. Alrighty, I did it. Smack my donnies. Look at this, look at this. Oh, let me turn my camera around. Wow, wow, wow. Those colours are just sparkling, sparkling. Such a lovely mix. Very oceany, beachy vibe, but just sparkling. Bring it down this end. I know I will get lots of you saying, why did you leave it and do it? But I could see that the white was all just cracking, flaking. So you know, it's pointless because I wouldn't be happy with the dried result of the white all flaking. Now it's got rid of the white, there's only a little bit in there to highlight it. But those colours, look at those colours together. I should be doing something with just those. Okay, I will be back. Crazy lady at it again.